Hey guys, it's Ashley Brooke, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite go-to makeup looks, which is perfect for the girl on the go and super easy to achieve. It takes you from day to night without any touch-ups. I live in New York City, which can be a little bit crazy at times, so I need a makeup that can keep up with my busy lifestyle. And Revlon's ColorStay makeup does just that. A normal day for me looks like running from meeting to meeting, being in the subway, which for those of you guys who don't know is very hot and humid. Having a makeup look that can keep up with me all day is so important. So I'm going to be doing a natural coverage long wear foundation, and I really like to play with my eyes, or the center of your face. It's the first thing people see when they look at you. I like to do a slight shimmer on the lid and a really fun winged liner. And as for my lip, I am always in black, if not black, some sort of neutral color, so a pop of color on my lip really makes my outfit stand out and a little bit more season appropriate. So now, let's get into the look. So I have already prepped my face with the moisturizing primer, so now I'm going to use the Revlon ColorStay makeup in the shade 250 Fresh Beige for normal to dry skin. So I'm using the Revlon foundation brush to apply. This way it goes on nice and smooth, and I know I'm covering all areas. So a little tip that I have is I always take the excess that's on my brush and go down just a little bit on your neck. That way you don't have any harsh lines, so it's one color. It feels so lightweight on my face. I get that nice medium coverage without feeling like I'm wearing so much makeup. It almost just feels like a part of my skin. So this is a long wear foundation that lasts up to 24 hours, and I love this just because I sometimes have super long days. So on unexpected days like that, this is perfect. This does have SPF in it, which is key. You always need to wear sunscreen throughout the day. Even if you're gonna be outside for just a short amount of time, always make sure that you're protected. So next I'm going to use the Revlon ColorStay Concealer in the color Fair, and I really like to use this on the features of my face that I want to pop. I'm going to apply a little on my chin, Cupid's bow, under my eyes, my nose, and a little bit up into my forehead. Now I'm gonna quickly take my Revlon blending sponge and just kind of blend these guys in. So as you can see, we've got some really bright eyes, no darkness, and really making our nose and our chin and our Cupid's bow pop. Next, I'm going to use the Revlon ColorStay Pressed Powder in Translucent. I like to put this over the areas where I had the concealer, but most importantly, under your eye, because you don't want those under eye creases. Next, I'm going to use the Revlon ColorStay Cream Eyeshadow in the color Praline number 730, and it also has a cute little built-in brush. If you guys are like me, my purse eats all of my tiny brushes, so the fact that this is handy dandy right here for me is awesome. This also wears up to 24 hours, which is great because I feel like your eyeshadow is one of the first things you lose, and it's the hardest to touch up, so the fact that it can just stay on all day is perfect. So a quick little tip that I have is to take your handy dandy brush and just create a little effect right here in the corner of your eye, and it really makes such a big difference. It really makes your eyes pop. You don't want to do too much. A little bit goes a long way in this area of your eye. So next we're gonna do one of my favorite steps, which is the liner, and I'm gonna create a winged liner for you guys, and we are using the Revlon ColorStay EXACTIFY liquid liner in the color Intense Black. And what I love about this is not only that it is also a 24-hour wear, but it also has this wheel applicator, which gives you a really precise and controlled line. So first I'm gonna start by applying in the very corner of my eye, working my way to the outside to make a precise line. Then I'm going to outline the actual wing. Then you're gonna color it in. This is the easiest part. It's kind of fun, like coloring books when you were little. And then the last step is super important for the wing. You're just gonna take your wheel and you're just gonna create a swoop motion. That way you really get a nice point and not so much of a blunt end to the wing. All right, and that is it for the winged liner. Next, I'm going to move into mascara, which is one of my favorite parts of my makeup routine because I feel like your eyes are the center of your face and it's the first thing that people notice when they see you. So a good mascara is super important. I am using the Revlon Volumazing mascara in the shade Blackest Black. It gives visible volume, no smudging or flaking for up to 24 hours. So basically all of these eye products have got you covered. And this is actually a brand new mascara. And I'm obsessed with this brush head. You know when you put on mascara and your lashes kind of clump together and it looks like you have 3 lashes? This brush head actually helps individualize each lash, giving you way more volume. All right, so we are done with that, and as you can see, the volume in the mascara really opens up the eye. Now we're gonna finish off the face with a little bronzer and highlight. To finish off the look, I'm going to be using the Revlon ColorStay Overtime Lip Color in Never Ending Purple. This is a really fun 2-in-1 because you have a pigmented color on one side and a moisturizing top coat on the other. I really love adding a really fun lip into summer because I like to match my handbags or my shoes. I think it's a really good way to tie in your makeup to your wardrobe. Next, you're going to want to let this fully dry and then apply your top coat. As you can see, it gives you that really nice glossy finish. All right, so this is the complete look, and as I said earlier, it is a long wear look, so it's perfect for the girl on the go. It'll take you from day to night just like that with no smudging. The long wear foundation and the pop of color on the lip make any summer outfit stand out. To learn more about the products in today's video, head over to Revlon.com, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and check out the other videos we did together. Thanks for watching. Bye.